So in this video, I'll show you how to customize the theme that you install. So the current theme that we are using, the current theme that is active is Sydney. So in order to customize the theme, you'll have to select the customize option. Which brings us to this interface. Now every theme will have a different set of options. Can you see these customizing options over here on the left hand side? If you change the theme, the options will also change. So every theme will have a different set of options. But there will be a few options which will also be common. For example, can you see site title, tagline and logo? You will find this option in almost every WordPress theme. Let me select and edit the site title to AHREF 37. Hit the publish button. Let's go to the front end and refresh the page once. There you go. Can you see AHREF 37? And that is how your site title looks like. Then you have the tagline, which is my WordPress blog. It appears over here just below the site title. So if you want, you can keep it, else you can remove it. That is not compulsory. Publish, refresh. There you go. The tagline is not visible. Okay. In addition to that, you can upload your logo as well. Okay. You can you can use a website like Canva and you can create professional looking logo absolutely for free. If you want, you can take the help of this article on Digital Dum Dum about 9 secret Canva hacks. Okay. So you can use Canva to create a logo and you can upload it over here. In addition to that, you can add a site icon as well. Now site icon is also called as favicon, Favicon, Favicon. Okay, so they have given the dimensions of a site icon and the site icon appears something like this. In the tab, can you see this logo? This is nothing but your site icon. This is called as the site icon. If you go to any other website, you will find the company logo over here. This is called as the site icon, also known as favicon. If you want to move back, you can simply hit the arrow button. It will bring you to the previous section. If you want to close the interface, you will hit the cross button. Now this is one option that will be common in most of the themes. The second option that will be common will be homepage settings. So go to homepage settings and it is asking you that currently or by default the homepage of a WordPress website displays the posts that you have created. For example, in my case, this is nothing but a blog, right? This is the homepage. digitaldumdum.com is the homepage. Now whatever post I publish, they get added on the homepage. Can you see post number 1, post 2, post 3? So whatever posts I publish, they get added on the homepage. But because this is a blog, I'm okay with it. In case of a blog, your posts should be displayed on the homepage. Okay. But in case of a website, like let me just take you through this website. It's a digital marketing institute where I used to work a few years back. So over here, they have a customized homepage. Can you see? And all the posts appear in the blog section. Can you see the blog section? So if you're creating a website, you would want your posts to be listed in the blog section. And if you're a blog, you would want your posts to be visible on the homepage, right? If you want to create a website, you need a blog section and you would want to add all your blog posts in this section like this. Blog. Can you see post number 1, post number 2, post number 3, post number 4? So this is what you would want to do in case you're a website. So how do we do this? Let me just close that. What does your homepage display? Do you want your latest post on the homepage or a static page? So if you're a blogger, you will select the first option. I want the home page to display the latest posts. That is what Digital Dum Dum has done. Okay, but if you are planning to create a website, then you'll have to create a static page first. So my home page should display a static page. So select the home page. My home page will be the, okay, you don't have a home page yet. You'll have to create one from here and new page, and my home page should be the home page. And what about your post then? WordPress will ask you, where should I add your posts? So if you plan to add posts, then you'll have to create a new page like blog. So add new page, blog, add. So all your posts will go into the blog section. Okay. If you don't want to publish a blog, then you can simply delete this thing. Keep it as it is. Okay. This is not compulsory. But in case of a blog, we'll select blog. So basically your home page is going to display a static page, which is this page, and then the posts will get added to the blog page. Let us hit the publish button and let us look at the front end. There is going to be some issue. Now here there are two issues. One is I'm not able to see the main page as my home page. That is your first issue. Second issue is the blog page doesn't appear in the navigation bar, right? So how do we solve this problem? Go back to the backend. You will have to close the interface now. First thing, you go to appearance menus and you will have to add the blog section to the menu. Okay, and this we will transfer over here. That is the first thing that we are going to do. Hit the save menu button. In addition to this, we have a home page over here, but we have created a new one just now. Let's go to view all, and we have one home page over here and one home page over here. So this is the one that we already had, and this is the one that we have created. You'll have to select this, hit the add to menu button. It gets added over here. First remove this one, remove, and then transfer this over here. Update the menu by hitting the save menu button, and then we'll refresh our front end. We have added the blog section over here, and we've added the new home page that we created to the menu. Okay, so we now have home and blog in the menu. One good thing about Sydney theme is on the home page it gives us a huge slider, an image slider, also called as carousel. Okay, so right now the slider is not visible on the home page. Let us see how we add that. So go to the backend and you will go to the header area, and can you see header type? In the header type, the front page header type is a full screen image slider, whereas the internal pages, site header type, that means the internal pages will have a static image. Only the home page should have a carousel or an image slider. So keep the settings as it is, move back, go to header slider now. We need to add the images in the header slider option, and it says your first slide over here. So hit the select image option. I already have a few images. You will go to upload, and then from the image section I'll choose one image. You can add an alt text and title text to the image, which is very important. So alternative text and title text are very important from SEO perspective, and you can go ahead and add your keywords over here. Let me just select the tick mark the image and choose image option. This is the image for your first slide. If you scroll down, You can add image for the second slide. There you go. This is the first image, right? Let us add two more images. Select image, upload files, select files, second image, choose image. In a similar manner, select the third slide, select image, upload files, select files, and then select the third image. And you are free to add alt and title tags. Choose image. Now let us look at the front end once. I'll hit the publish button for the changes to take place, changes to take effect. Hit the publish button, go to the home page, refresh your page once. There you go. With zero coding skills, we now have a professional looking website. Can you see? This is the beauty of Sydney. Sydney gives us a huge carousel or an image slider at the front end. So the images keep on changing. You can change the transition period. You can change this text. You can change this text. You can change the text on the button. You can link the button to any of your pages. Okay, so the button can be linked to any of the pages as well. You can do all those things from this area. Can you see? Click the pencil icon to change this text. You can either hit the pencil icon and change it, or can you see? Click the pencil icon to change the text. You can change it from here as well. So let me simply type in image 1. This is image 1. Let me copy. Let me type in image 2. This is image 2. And then image 3, and this is image 3, and publish. And whatever you add over here, you can preview it over here. Can you see? Image 1, this is image 1, image 2, this is image 2, and then image 3, and this is image 3. If you want to edit directly from here, you can hit the pencil icon this way and it will bring you to the editing area. If you want to change the transition speed, you can go ahead and change it. Can you see slider speed in milliseconds? So you can change it, increase the delay or decrease the delay, or you want to stop the slider, that's also fine. You can simply tick mark the stop the text slider. Can you see? You are able to see only image 1. This is image 1. Only this text. And because we have stopped the text slider, so this section won't change now. Okay, so it will show only section number 1, but section 2 and section 3 won't be visible. Similarly, you can add 4th image and 5th image, and you can change the call to action button. Can you see? Click to begin. You can either scroll down or hit the pencil icon over here and start editing. The URL should take the user to which page, so you can go to the page, copy the permalink and add it over here, and you can change the text. Instead of click to begin, I can type in as register now, and I can take the user to the contact us page. Let me go to the contact us page. I'll copy the URL. So whoever clicks on the register button, register now button, he should land on the contact us page and simply publish the changes. Let's go back. Let's go to the home page, and that's it. This is your carousel. If you hit the register now button, it will take you to the contact us page. Okay, and the internal pages won't have a slider, it will have a static image. If you want to change the image, you can change it. You'll have to go back to header media, and from here you can change this image. Okay, you can change this image. In addition to this, you can add a video as well on the home page instead of a slider. You can add a video as well, just like I did in Anaya Tools example. So for that you'll have to go to header type, and the front page header type displays full screen slider. So you'll have to switch from full screen to video. If you don't want any header, you can select the fourth option. If you want a static image, then you'll select an image. But remember, if you select the video, you'll have to go back, go to header slider, and somewhere over here you'll have to enter a link, YouTube link to your video. Okay, so that is what you need to do. I'll keep it as a full screen slider and publish it. So these are, so this is how you customize your theme. Okay, and apart from that, you can play around with the options that are available in front of you. You can change the colors, you can optimize the footer. Okay, how many footers do you want? Footer 1, 2, 3, 4. You can keep it to 2. This area is the footer area. The black area is called as the footer. So if you choose 3 footer, you will have footer number 1, footer number 2, and footer number 3 over here. Go back. You can change the font. Okay, font style, font size you can also change, and you can change the colors of the sidebar. Can you see the sidebar is gray and black, gray and white, sorry. You can change the sidebar background. Footer color also can be changed. So plenty of options for free. Header can be changed. The menu background is black, right? Can you see this is black? If you want, you can change it to some other color like this one, and there you go. Site title is in white. You can go ahead and change the color of the site title. So you learn about the theme only when you practice, only when you start exploring it. Okay, so keep exploring, but don't explore a lot, don't change a lot, don't make a lot of changes once the website is live, once you're marketing the website. Okay, so the professional websites, they don't keep on changing the layout and the structure of the website. So as long as you're practicing, it's fine, do it. But once your website is live, I suggest don't make any major changes to the website. You can change the background image. This is plain white. You can change the background image from here, so on and so forth, and hit the publish button to finalize the changes. Go to the front end, refresh the page once, and you should be able to see all your changes. Look at the red color menu, right? So that is how you customize a theme.